The market theme: there is a bright chance that Nifty may open on a firm footing and stay bullish through the close. The positive catalysts. Nifty bulls will aim to take over the positive baton from yesterday's massive rebound and also on backdrop of drop-off. 1. Retreating US Treasury yields. 2. WTI crude oil prices too retreated from $107 a barrel to $103 a barrel. 3. Iranian media said Washington had proposed a temporary waiver of all sanctions, while separate reports indicated Tehran may be willing to accept a long-term freeze on its nuclear program. The biggest positive catalysts: both FIIs and DIIs turned out to be net buyers in yesterday's volatile session. In fact, FIIs have turned net buyers for 3 days in a row. Bottom line, honestly speaking, if yesterday's trading session is any indication, then Nifty may have finally started to outperform its global peers after years of lagging behind. Confirmation of strength only above Nifty to 4100. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's volatile session, FIIs bought to the tune of Rs 2814 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2682 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting some massive consolidation play. FNO month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked near 19.63 levels. At last check, USD INR, May, was trading firm near 95.78 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th May, is at 1.07 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.80. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.48. Midcap Nifty is at 1.23. Nifty Outlook Nifty faces its biggest hurdles at 24,000 mark. Despite bulls regrouping at lower levels, the technical structure still signals caution. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,650. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,262 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,550 and 23,900. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 75,315. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 74,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 76,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 75,000 to 76,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 53,537. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 52,783 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 54,500 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,100 and 54,100. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. It was heartening to watch Nifty bulls regrouping at lower levels in yesterday's trade amidst bargain hunting and short covering. Despite the positivity, investors are still balancing two risks at once. 1. Sticky inflation that may delay monetary easing. 2. Geopolitical tensions that could further disrupt energy supplies. Please note, technically, Nifty is still below its 21, 50, 100 and 200 DMA. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Power Grid declined 2.93% to settle at 296 rupee after it reported weak operational performance in fourth quarter of financial year 2025-26. Power Grid said that it earned a net profit of 4,552.80 crore rupees in January to March quarter, marking an increase of 5% from 4,336 crore rupees in the same period last financial year. 2. Defense stocks traded lower in yesterday's trade, with the Nifty India Defense Index declining 0.51%, as most of the constituents on the index were in the red. Shares of Cochin Shipyard tanked 5.08% after its earnings failed to impress the investors. Last week, Cochin Shipyard had reported a consolidated net profit of 276 crore rupees in the fourth quarter of the fiscal year, Q4 FY26, marking a fall of 4% from 287 crore rupees in the same period last year. The Q4 FY26 earnings season has reached its fag end. Key corporates to announce their results are Tuesday, 19th May 2026, BPCL, Pi Industries.